Recently, AI has really advanced a crazy amount, and we've seen these Bigfoot vlogs on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube that have been made with VO3. For a long time, it wasn't possible to use it at all in Finland. But now I found a way for you to make your own Bigfoot vlog completely for free, entirely in Finnish. And in this video, I'm gonna show you step-by-step instructions on how to get started with it. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you found this helpful. First, we go to Google and type in Google AI Pro, and the first result that comes up is Gemini subscription. So I click on the first one and we should end up on Google's Gemini subscription page. And the great thing about this is that here you have the option to make videos with VO3, and probably the best feature is that you can use this for free. So Google AI Pro, we need to make this subscription, and for the first month it's completely free, €0. After we've made the subscription, we should type something like Gemini VO5 into Google. Again, the first result is Gemini's AI generator that uses the VO3 model. So from here, we can go straight to trying out VO3. So just click on try VO and we can go straight here to try out. Right now, I still have that limit on 1 hour and 16 minutes left. I'm filming this at 10 in the morning, but I've already tested this quite a bit earlier and I'm going to show you how to use it. So if we want to make Bigfoot vlogs, the very first thing we have to do, actually, the easiest way is to go to YouTube, search for Bigfoot vlog on YouTube, and let's just pick the first video. Yeah. Let's pick a good spot from there and then we'll continue. You probably have something you can use to take screenshots. So let's take a screenshot of this image. After this, we go to ChatGPT. You can also do this without ChatGPT. So let's just do that. I have the paid version of ChatGPT, but it really doesn't matter whether you have the free one or not. But we'll add our image here, for example, and you can add it using this plus button. Just like that, it uploads there and will write the following kind of prompt. So just a simple prompt like this. Create a simple prompt for me for Google VO3 with which I can make a Bigfoot video. Make it as realistic as it looks in this image. Let's see what kind of prompt we get for VO3. Just with that small simple question. There it is. Yeah. Alright, hey. It actually gave us a pretty good prompt in English. And it even gave us some suggestions for improvement. Like if we want more lightning in it, or camera movement, or if we want the duration to be 10 to 20 seconds. Of course, VO3 can only do 8 seconds, but there are some good suggestions here. And we could, for example, pick a style like that. Yeah, let's add that style and camera movement. That could be pretty good. Oops. Well, now there was a typo, but just a small clear one, and now it should be edited in there. Yes, there it is. And now we can actually copy this whole thing completely. And the next prompt we need to do is to use this same chat. We have this prompt that we just took. So of course we wanted to say something now. Let's put in a prompt like this. That was good. Next, I want you to come up with a short story for me. For example, that Bigfoot is about to skydive from a plane and at the same time do an energy drink tasting. Do a Finnish valsostai voiceover for it and add it to that prompt, but keep it clear. And let's see what kind of prompt we get. So could we get VO3 to make a video like that? And now we could actually just copy this directly. Copy it, send it to VO3. Of course, I can't do that right now because I really don't have the possibility. I could do it in an hour, but here we'd have a completely finished prompt that we could use to make a video like that. And now I'll show you what kind of things I've made, for example. Here's one of the newest ones I've done, and honestly, it has a similar style of prompt, which is actually pretty funny. Let's take a look. Welcome to Big Jorma's Sauna Workshop. This chimney might be going the wrong way, but let's not let that bother us. It's actually really similar to the style I've seen trending on TikTok and elsewhere. And that was funny too, because it actually had that zoom effect. I was surprised that it really got zoomed and looked. Let's not let that bother. Let's not let that bother us. There are honestly a ton more of these as that. Okay. Welcome to Isome MEI's building corner. Today we're making a sauna, even though the only thing I've ever built is an anthill. Even though the only thing I've ever built is an anthill. Oh man. But seriously, it's actually really simple to make videos in this style. And if you need a bit more help, I recommend joining my Commonwealth creator community, where I can help you personally. You'll find the link in the video description, and then you'll find more detailed info about how I can help you. For example, I donate €2 to Mielirai for every donation, so it's worth considering joining.